I've heard this way too many times. I'm not a tech person is one of the most expensive sentences people repeat about themselves. And it usually costs them about £20,000 a year, every year for the rest of their working life. And I genuinely believe that people are defined by their environment and the people they're around. And usually, sometimes, even books and how people talk. And this specific belief, I genuinely think it came from somewhere real, right? So, Cal Newport, he has a book so good they can't ignore you, and it sold over 500,000 copies. And because of that reason, I genuinely think when people read things like this, right, it seeds an entire generation on the idea of something. And for this book, the idea that it seeded was you have to build rare and valuable skills before you can switch lanes. It's good advice for some careers, for example, surgeons, researchers, even something very specific, like let's say you're a concert pianist. But for mid-level tech, it accidentally set the bar way too high. Here's what actually decides whether you can switch into a mid-level DevOps or cloud role. Can you read a system that's broken and figure out where the problem is? Can you write a clear email to a non-technical stakeholder? Can you handle being on call without panicking? If you've worked in IT support, QA, civil engineering, the NHS, teaching, anything where you've had to debug a system or manage uncertainty under pressure, you've already got 60% of what a mid-level DevOps role asks for. The remaining 40%, cloud, infrastructure as code, and one project that you've done really well that you can present to recruiters and hiring managers. That is 6 to 12 months of focused work, and it's not 3 years of becoming a tech person. And the problem is, the label is the trap. The label keeps you applying to the wrong band. Drop the label, look at the spec, and you'll see you're closer than you think. So comment or DM Bar if you actually want to do something about it.